There are multiple ways to fold and unfold a bandsaw blade. I'm going to show you my method, which I think is the best and the safest. I call it the Garth Brooks way. So here's how it goes. First and foremost, wear gloves if you want to keep your hands safe. But honestly, if you're good at this, you really don't have to, but it is safest. I'm good at it, so I don't. Hold the bandsaw blade at 10 and 2 just like this. And then you're going to go up to your workbench or a wall just like this. And you're going to push up against the wall. And you're going to bring your hands together with your thumbs pointing up. And you're going to create this shape.
Hey, can you not say that in front of the kids, please?
Bring your hands together like this. And then I'll show you. Well, voila, look at that, the Garth Brooks logo. Once you create the logo, you know you're in the right direction. With your right hand, you're gonna grab the loop at the end and bring it together. And boom, you have just folded your bandsaw blade. Now, the part where people get themselves in trouble is when they're trying to unfold it because it comes all flying out and you risk damaging your equipment or even yourself. So here's what you do. You grab the loop and bring it outwards like this. Now, you might grab the wrong loop, but if you grab the right loop, you'll notice that the X that's created is behind this loop right here. If it's in front, you've grabbed the wrong loop. So make sure the X is behind this loop. Then, with this hand, you're going to grab that loop, creating kind of a triangle circle sort of thing. This point, you're going to hold on with your right hand, let go with your left. And voila, you've safely just uncoiled or unfolded your bandsaw blade the Garth Brooks way. If you have a bandsaw blade, that means you have a bandsaw. And if you have a bandsaw, that means you have lots of scrap wood. I'm going to show you where to put all that scrap wood in this video right here with the greatest of all time scrap wood storage carts. Plans available. Check out the video. Don't miss it. You'll love it.